In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the ElevenLabs website. Once you're there, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It might be a little picture of you or a generic avatar if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on that icon, and a menu will drop down. From this menu, select the Settings option. This is where you'll find various settings related to your account, including where you can change your email address. Now look for an option that says Change Email. Click on that, and here's where it gets a little specific. If you haven't verified your current email address recently, you'll need to go through that verification process before making any changes. This is just to ensure that the account you are accessing really belongs to you, keeping your information secure. Once you've completed the verification step, you can go ahead and enter your new email address. Make sure to double-check the spelling to avoid any mistakes. After you've entered your new email address, you'll receive a verification link sent to that address. It's crucial that you check your inbox for that email. Click on the link to confirm the change. This step is essential, as it validates that you have control over the new email you're trying to use. Now that you've completed the verification, log back into the ElevenLabs website using your new email address and your original password. If everything has gone smoothly, you should now have access to your account with your updated email address. It's also worth mentioning that you'll receive a notification email sent to your original email address. This email will inform you of the change you just made. In case this was all a big mistake, it will contain a link that you can use to revert the change and go back to your original email. Now, if you run into any issues while changing your email address, I have a little tip for you. Sometimes using incognito mode or private browsing mode can help you bypass any caching issues or hiccups that might pop up during the verification process. So, if you're having trouble, give that a try. Before we wrap up, there are a couple of important points to keep in mind. First, you can't change your email address if someone else has already registered that new address in their ElevenLabs account. You'll want to use an email that is completely unused. Also, if you originally signed up using Google or Apple Sign-In, your account is tightly linked to those services, and you won't be able to change your email address at all. That's all there is to it. Changing your email address in ElevenLabs is a straightforward process once you know the steps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.